If you're in search of a quick fix on fingerstyle guitar, I have it right here. I have a very simple pattern that we're going to learn today that goes across many different styles of music. It could be used in country music, it could be used in pop music, it could be used in folk music, you name it, it could be used. Ballads, it works on ballads especially, but it also works on fast songs. Let me play it for you right now. This is what we're going to learn. And if you would stay till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to apply that pattern to a whole bunch of chords. So if you're ready to learn this pattern, here we go. All right, for demo purposes here, I'm going to just play a one-finger G chord, which is 3 frets up on the 6th string. Remember, the 6th is the thickest string. Think of a big number when you're thinking there's a 6th string, and the 1st string is the lightest string, the top E string, okay, or the 1st string. So I'm just going to go 3 frets up with my ring finger for now, and let me show you the pattern here. It's I'm going to call out the strings. It's 6, 4, and then 3 and 2 with our index and our middle finger plucking, and then the 4th string with our thumb. So it's thumb, thumb, index, middle together, then our thumb. And that's the whole pattern, all right? So once again, 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. That's it, okay? And it's counted like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, I'm holding down the string over here and just playing that simple G chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Why don't you try playing this with me? 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. Thumb, thumb, index, middle, thumb. And the strings are 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. Counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So a little faster it sounds like this. I already know that some of you are going to ask me, what songs can you play with this pattern? Well, I'll tell you what, stay tuned, watch this whole video towards the end. I'll play about 3 or 4 songs that I know you know, and you'll see how the pattern works over something that you're familiar with. All right, so I want to go over the C chord now. And for those of you that are not familiar with this chord, or you haven't worked on it yet, and you're still getting started on the guitar, I want you to go right here and click on that link. And that's a lesson for, actually 3 lessons. It's a series, How to Play a C Chord for Beginners. All right, so take that. And for the rest of you that know your C chord already, we're going to have to change strings here because the basic rule for finger picking, or at least for this pattern, is you always want to pick the lowest root bass note as your first note in a measure. So for a C chord, it's the C note. For a G chord, it's a G note. For a D chord, it's a D note. These are all the lowest notes available here for these chords on the guitar. For an E, it would be the open E on the 6th string, and so on and so forth. An A would be open 5th string, the A note. Okay, so for C, we're plucking this one first, okay? And that sounds like this. I'll call out the strings. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. A little faster, it sounds like this. D chord, our lowest bass note on the for a D note is this D right here, and it's strings 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Why don't you try this one with me? This is pretty easy. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. A little faster. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Let's do an A chord. This is just like the same strings as a C chord. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. Okay, that's a regular A chord, but you can play this A chord too. Or an A7th. Works with any of the A chords. So that's strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 4 for an A chord. Let's do a B chord. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. E chord. 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. A little faster. 6, 4, 3, 4, 6. For those of you that know this F chord right here, this would be 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Or you can do an F major 7th chord, which is this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Or even this F chord right here, just this position right here with this finger off, just 2 fingers. How about some minor chords? A minor. If it says an A in the chord, that's always your root. It's the same pattern, same strings as an A major chord. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. B minor, same thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4. Here's another way to play a B minor chord. E minor is just like the E chord. Six, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. D minor, same strings as the D chord. You got your D root note there. All right, this is a really great plug-and-play pattern, very versatile. It could be used over many thousands of songs, of course. And I wanted to point out that you don't have to always play the same strings that I'm playing for the chords. There's no set rule with that. In other words, once you pluck that root note, that root bass note of the chord, you pluck the G note for the G chord, or the C note for the C chord, it's off to the races after that. You can go ahead and try some other strings, okay? So I wanted to point that out. I got a few songs here I want to play for you, but for those of you that have stuck around, I want to give you guys kind of a reward here. I really appreciate you watching the whole video. And if you have a song that you want to learn, what I'm going to do is in a couple of weeks, I'm going to make a video of all the requests that I get if you comment below of a song that you want to learn, or something that you're looking to do. As long as it's not a classical or a jazz piece, if it's kind of like a popular piece or a country piece, I'll go ahead and make a video with all the segments showing a pattern for each one of the songs that are requested, okay? So comment below, tell me what your favorite song is that you want to learn, and I'll go ahead and make like a 2-minute little segment for you showing the pattern that I recommend to play. All right? So let's listen to some music now. Thank you and have a great day. Remember when I was young and so were you, time stood still. Love was all we knew. You were the first, so was I. We made love and then you cried. Remember when? And I will always love you. Will always love you. Will always love you. He stopped loving her today. Placed a wreath upon his door. And soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today. Let's go to Lukenbach, Texas, Waylon and Willie and the boys. This successful life we're living's got us feuding like the Hatfields and McCoys. Between Hank Williams Payne songs and Jerry Jeff Train songs and Blue Eyes crying in the rain. Let's go to Lukenbach, Texas, ain't nobody feeling no pain.